Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing Python part 2, that is Python indentation. So, Python indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line, where in other programming languages, the indentation in code is for readability only. The indentation in Python is very important because it indicates a block of code. Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation. The number of spaces is up to you as a programmer, but it has to be at least one. You have to use the same number of squares in the same block of code, otherwise Python will give you an error. I will show you that here. So, for example, if 5, not 5, we'll take 6. 6 is smaller than 9, then we are going to put indentation, print, now we're going to put single colons, print 6 is smaller than 9. Okay, now we are going to run the code and let's see if it works. It is a syntax error in line 1. That's because we forgot to put the colon. Now we are going to put colon and run it again. Now let's run. 6 is smaller than 9. Next, if we skip the indentation, let's see what happens. If 6 is smaller than 9, shift colon, enter. We are going to skip the indentation. Print 6 smaller than 9, and now we are going to run the code. It is an indentation error, expected an indented block. It has given it. Next, what we are going to see is Python variables. Python variables are created when you assign a value. Python has no command for declaring a variable. Variable are containers for storing data values. For example, you can write x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Enter, print. We don't need indentation here. Print x. Now we are going to run it. 5. Now what we are going to do is see. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change after they have been set. String variables can be declared by user using single or double quotes. Let's see that. So, for example, if I first put x is equal to 5, now I change it and put it x is equal to, and I put it as Ferrari. Then we are going to run it. Wait, before that let's print it. Print x, and now we are going to run it. Ferrari, and that is the changed value. Now we can type it as x is equal to shift, if we put rest, and is same as, it is the same as, basically it is the same as with single colon. So let's see, if I print So if we run it, it will print rest. And if I do the same thing with single colons, it will also print rest. Next, let's see is what we are going to see is we are going to see word. Now let's see what is variable names. Yes, this is a very important in variables. Variable can have a short name like x and y, or a more descriptive name like age, car name, total volume, full stop. Rules for Python variables. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores like a to z, 0 to 9 and underscore. Variable names are case sensitive. Age and age are three different variables. So our portion ends here for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.